Throughout my military career, I was a leader, but there are times you have to be a manager. Being a manager is important in success of not only yourself, but your team, your organization, your company. In the American sport baseball, the head coach is called a manager, not head coach. And why is that? Well, he has 9 on-field players, plus you have relief pitchers, designated hitters, pinch runners, and you have to take all of these players, individual players, in a team sport. So think about that as you continue to build your organization, build yourself. In Afghanistan in 2008, my military team, the Advanced Combat Training Team, was made up of 3 forces: 6 Americans, 5 Romanian soldiers, and 5 Polish soldiers. We didn't speak the same language. We didn't have the same SOPs, standard operating procedures. But in just a short time, we worked so well together. Like we've been together for years and years. How did we do that? Well, we spent time together. As the manager, I insisted we would do that. We ate meals together. We worked out together. We watched movies together. We told stories to each other about our families and our homes. If you want to become successful, become a good manager. And it starts with understanding who people are. Take individuals, put them in a group setting, a team setting. Learn who they are. Focus yourself. Continue to push forward. Give it a try.